Good morning, everyone. I have a big surprise today.
What is the surprise, Mark?
We are going to the zoo. The zoo. Peanut, we are going to the zoo today. Daddy, can Peanut come to the zoo too?
Of course, Peanut is part of the family.
Peanut, you are coming to the zoo.
Oh, but he is very excited about animals.
Dad, what animals are at the zoo? Lions, elephants, giraffes, monkeys, and many more.
I want to see the lions first. Why do you want to see the lions?
Because lions are the kings of the jungle, Dad.
Lily, what animal do you want to see today? I want to see the elephants, Mommy.
Because Peanut is an elephant, I want to meet his family.
That is a very good reason, sweetheart.
We need to eat fast. The zoo opens at 9.
What time is it now, Dad?
It is 8 o'clock. We have 1 hour.
Jack, eat your cereal, please.
I am eating fast, Mommy. Look at me go.
Lily, do you think Peanut will be scared of the big elephants?
No, Peanut is very brave.
But real elephants are very, very big. Peanut knows that. How do you prepare to meet a big elephant?
Peanut says you say hello and be very polite.
That is actually good advice. He also says bring a snack. Do elephants like snack?
Everyone likes snacks, Jack.
Okay, Lily, your backpack is on.
Is it straight, Mommy?
Yes, it is very straight and very yellow.
Good. I want to look nice for the animals. The animals will love your yellow dress.
Jack, do you have everything?
Cap, backpack, water bottle. Yes, Dad, I have everything.
Good. What about your jacket?
Oh.
Go get it, please. We leave in 2 minutes. Is everyone ready?
Ready, Dad.
Ready? And Peanut is ready too.
Then let us go to the zoo, Rivers family.
Dad, how long is the drive to the zoo?
About 30 minutes, buddy. 30 minutes is a long time.
It is not very long, Jack. I will talk to Peanut. The time will go fast.
Jack, what is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is the lion.
Why is the lion your favorite?
My favorite animal is strong because of Peanuts. Lily, what sound does an elephant make?
They make a tremolo. Brrr. Peanut makes that sound when he is happy.
I have never heard Peanut make any sound.
He only makes sounds when it is very quiet.
Oh, also when he is nervous. Is he nervous now?
A little bit, but I told him the zoo is a safe place.
Mark, I think we should see the elephants first for Lily.
Good idea. Then the lions for Jack.
And then lunch in the middle?
Perfect plan. You always plan things so well.
That is why you need me, Mark.
Mom, can we buy a souvenir at the zoo?
Yes.
1 souvenir each.
1 souvenir is enough, Jack.
Okay, I want a lion. A big lion with a mane.
Mommy, I want an elephant souvenir.
But you already have Peanut, sweetheart.
Peanut wants a friend at the Zone Friends.
Yes, he is very selective, Mommy.
Look, everyone! There is the zoo!
I can see it. I can see the sign.
Zoo, zoo.
Peanut, look out the window.
I am very excited. I have not been to a zoo in years. Welcome to the zoo, Rivers family! Dad, it is so big. Look at all the paths.
I can hear animals. Can you hear them?
Peanut can hear them too. He is listening very carefully.
Okay, the elephants are this way, to the left.
And the lions are on the right side.
Should we go left first for Lily?
Yes, always take care of the little one first.
You left it is. You are right.
Lily, I can read the signs. Lions are that way.
And elephants are that way, Jack.
You can read the signs too. Yes. Miss Jones taught me to read. Reading is very useful.
This zoo is very beautiful. It is much bigger than I remember.
Dad, I can hear.
That is the lion, yes. We will see him soon.
First the elephants, Jack. We agreed.
Dad, what do lions eat?
Lions eat meat. They are carnivores.
What is a carnivore?
A carnivore is an animal that only eats meat.
So lions do not eat vegetables ever?
No, lions do not eat vegetables at all. That is very convenient for the lions.
Why do you use vegetables are not my favorite either?
Ha! You and the lions have something in common.
Mommy, what do elephants eat?
Elephants eat grass, fruit, and leaves.
Do they like bananas?
Yes, you like bananas very much. You are very similar.
Daddy, the elephants are this way. Come on.
Okay. Let us go see the elephants.
Fine, elephants first, then lions. Jack, we have all day.
Peanut is running. He cannot wait. Oh.
Yes, African elephants are very large animals.
They are bigger than our car, Jack. Dad, look, there are real elephants. Do you see them? Daddy, why is the elephant's nose so long?
It is called a trunk. They use it to drink water.
They drink water with their nose.
Yes.
Peanut, you have a trunk too. Can you drink water?
Jack, did you know elephants can remember things for many years?
Really? Like what things?
That is incredible.
I cannot remember what I had for breakfast yesterday.
Mommy, the elephant is coming closer.
It is okay, Lily. There is glass between us.
is looking at Peanut. He sees Peanut.
Peanut says hello.
Hello, big elephant.
Lily, look at the elephant's ears. They are huge.
They are like big fans, Jack.
Elephants move their ears to stay cool. That is Verida's small elephant. He does not need big ears.
Elephants live in families, Jack, just like us.
Do they have a dad and mom too?
Yes.
The mother elephant leads the boss.
In elephant families, yes, the mom is the boss.
The mom is the boss. In elephants and in this family.
I did not say that.
But it is true.
I have no comment on this subject.
That is the right answer, Mark.
Bye, elephants. Thank you for saying hello to Peanut.
Lily, the elephants cannot hear you.
Yes, they can. Elephants have very big ears, Jack.
Come on, everyone. Let us see more animals.
The lion, Dad, there is the lion. Look at him.
That is a male lion. See his big mane?
He is so big and so beautiful.
He does look very impressed, scared.
Dad, why is the lion not moving?
Lions sleep up to 20 hours a day, Jack. 20 hours! That is almost the whole day.
Yes, I want to sleep 20 hours on Saturday.
Lily, are you scared of the lion?
A little bit. He has very big teeth.
The glass is very thick. He cannot come out.
I know.
Would you like me to hold your hand?
Mommy, why does the lion have so much hair on his head?
That is called a mane. Only mane. It looks the male lions have. Peanut thinks he looks like a king.
Lily, the lion is the king of the jungle
Why is he the king?
because he is the strongest and the bravest.
Peanut is the king of our living room.
No one argues with Peanut
Lily, the lion is the king of the jungle.
Why is he the king?
because he is the strongest.
Peanut is the elephant.
That is true. No one argues with Peanut.
He moved. He scared me.
He just stretched, Sarah. He is not coming out.
I know. It was a surprise, yeah.
I did not jump.
I moved quickly. There is a difference.
Did you hear that? He roared. That is a real lion roar.
Peanut did not say much.
You know, he just helped him.
I hope he is saying something nice.
That was the best thing I have ever seen in my life.
Better than the World Cup?
Almost. The World Cup is still #1.
Peanut says he prefers the elephants.
Me too, Peanut. Me too.
Mommy, why is the giraffe's neck so long?
They need long necks to eat leaves from tall trees.
Their necks are taller than our house.
Almost, yes.
Peanuts, your neck is very short.
Dad, why do giraffes have spots? The spots help them hide in the trees and grass.
But they are so tall, how do they hide?
That is a very good question, Jack.
I think the spots are just for looking nice.
Mommy, the giraffe is looking at us.
Yes, I think he is curious about us too.
Of course.
Go ahead, sweetheart. You have a very beautiful neck.
Look at that monkey! He is swinging so fast!
He is doing tricks.
Monkeys are very clever animals.
And very funny.
Look at that one. Peanut wants to try swinging too.
Lily, that monkey looks like you when you wake up.
What? No, he does not.
Your hair looks the same in the morning.
My hair is much nicer than a monkey's.
You are right.
Sorry, Lily.
Look at them. They are having so much fun.
This is why we do things like this.
Days like this. I love days like this.
Me too. Let's do it once a month. Budget reasons.
Big ones. Oh, they are so cute. Look at them walk. They look like tiny men in black and white suits.
Ha! That is a good description, Jack.
Peanut, do you think penguins are cute? Daddy, the penguins swim so fast.
Yes, penguins are excellent swimmers.
But they cannot fly.
No, they why?
That is okay. Swimming is also very nice.
Mom, it says here that penguins live in cold places.
Yes, they live in Antarctica where it is very cold.
And it's cold there, Dad.
I do not want to live in Antarctica.
Zebras! Look at those beautiful black and white stripes.
I am counting the stripes, Dad.
They look like horses with pajamas.
Pajamas! That is exactly right on that one.
Jack, why do zebras have stripes?
The stripes help them hide from lions.
But black and white stripes are very visible. In a big group of zebras, you cannot tell them apart.
Wow, that is a tiger. A Bengal tiger, one of the most beautiful animals in the world.
He is magnificent. Look at those orange and black cat with his face.
Lily is not just a cat, he is a tiger. Dad, tigers are bigger than lions, right? Yes, tigers are actually the biggest wild cats.
So why is the lion the king of the jungle? I think the tiger deserves more credit, Dad.
Mommy, the tiger is very close to the glass.
Yes, but the glass is very strong.
Peanut says he would like to go to the penguins again.
Peanut says he is not scared. He is just cold.
This has been such a wonderful morning.
The kids are going to remember this day for years.
I am going to remember it too.
Which was your favorite animal today?
The elephants. And you?
My favorite was watching Lily talk to the elephants.
That was the best part of the whole day.
She told that elephant hello in the most serious voice.
She is in cheers.
Okay, lunchtime. Find a good table, everyone.
This one has a good view of the Pacific, Jack. Good choice.
I want to sit next to Mommy.
Of course, sweetheart. Come sit here. Lily, what do you have for lunch? I have a cheese sandwich. What do you have?
I a hot dog. Smells very good.
Okay. But just a small piece, Lily.
It is good, Jack.
Hot dogs are very good. I still like my cheese in it. Something like saying some why. Peanut plus a sandwich.
Which animals do we still need to see?
We saw elephants, lions, giraffes, monkeys, penguins, zebras, and tigers.
That is a lot of animals in morning.
We have been walking for 3 or tired.
Dad, what was your favorite part of the morning?
I like the tigers very much.
Me too. Tigers are my favorite part.
Part, Jack?
All of it. Every single part was my favorite.
Mommy, I think the elephants recognize Peanut.
Do you think so?
Yes, one of them looked at Peanut for a very long time.
Peanut thinks so too. He was very proud.
This is a perfect day.
It really is.
Can we come back next weekend?
Maybe next month, buddy.
I would like to come back on Peanut's birthday.
When is Peanut's birthday, Lily?
It is on the same day as mine.
That is very convenient.
Yes, and a cake.
Does Peanut eat cake?
Of course.
Peanut has a very small piece of cake, his own slice. A stuffed animal cannot eat cake, Lily.
He does not eat it.
Okay, Daddy likes the smell.
Thank you for understanding, Jack.
Okay, lunch is finished. What do we do next?
The gift shop. We need to buy our souvenirs. Yes, the gift shop. Peanut and Fun.
And then we walk a little more until home.
That sounds like a perfect plan. Wow, look at all the animals.
So many soft animals.
Remember, 1 souvenir each. Take your time.
Dad, I already know what I want. Dad, this one. This is the one I want.
A lion, good choice. He has a mane and everything. He looks so real.
He is very nice. What will you name him? Because lions are kings.
Mommy, there are so many elephants to choose from.
Take your time, sweetheart.
I need to find the right one. Peanut needs to approve.
Of course.
He is nodding at this gray one with big ears.
Yes, this is the one.
His name will be Peanut Jr.
That is a lovely name.
He will sleep in Peanut's bed at home,
Where do peanuts meet?
obviously.
Lily, look at my lion. His name is King.
He is very nice, Jack. Look at my elephant. His name is Peanut Jr. Yes.
He looks King and Peanut Jr. Good team.
Mark, should we buy something too?
We can buy a postcard. That is enough.
I like this elephant one.
For a kitchen, we can put it on for freer.
Next to Lily's school drawing.
Daddy, I am ready. This is my souvenir.
Peanut Jr. He is very nice, Lily.
He and Peanut are already friends.
How was that?
Peanut is very friendly.
He makes friends quickly.
1 lion for Jack, 1 elephant for Lily.
2 postcards.
King is already my favorite thing.
Thank you, Daddy. Peanut Jr. says thank you too. Say thank you properly, both of you. This was the best day.
Lily, today was the best day of my life.
Better than the World Cup?
Different. Both are very good.
I agree. The zoo and the World Cup are both very good.
We have a good life, Lily.
Yes, we have a very good life.
We have a good family.
And good animals.
King and Peanut Jr.
Do not forget the real animals, Jack.
Okay, Rivers family, time to go home.
Already? Can we stay a little longer?
Jack, we have been here for 5 hours.
Good places always feel shorter than they are. Daddy, thank you for bringing us to the zoo.
Did you have a good time, Lily?
The best time. Peanut had the best time too.
Every day with you.
Is a special day, Daddy.
So what was everyone's favorite animal today? Tigers. No, lions. Actually, both.
Mine were the elephants.
And Peanut agrees.
I like the penguins. They made me laugh.
Lily, Peanut Jr. looks happy.
He is happy. He likes the zoo very much.
King is also happy. He liked seeing the real lions.
No, King is very brave. He is a lion. Mommy, what sound does a giraffe make?
Actually, giraffes are almost completely silent.
They do not make any sound at all?
Sometimes they make a very calming sound when he is sleepy.
Dad, what do tigers eat?
Tigers eat deer, wild pigs, and other large animals.
Do tigers ever eat hot dogs?
No, Jack. Tigers, their hogs.
They're excellent.
Peanut, we are going home now. You will sleep in your normal spot tonight.
Where does Peanut sleep normally?
On the left side.
That is a very specific sleeping arrangement.
Home, sweet home.
That was a wonderful day.
The best day. I am so tired, but so hot tired. I am energetic.
Lily, you fell asleep for 20 minutes in the car.
I did not fall asleep. Peanut was also resting his eyes. It is different from sleeping. We were processing the information from the zoo. It is called a thinking rest.
King lives here now, on the shelf with the travel books.
Peanut Jr. sits here beside Peanut on the sofa.
They look very at home already.
Good friends always feel like they have always been here.
What a day.
What a beautiful day.
Dad, can we do something like this every month?
We can try, buddy.
Next month, let us go to the beach. Now we will review our English words from the zoo today.
I will all ready, Lily.
Teach us everything, sweetheart.
Okay, let us begin. Word number 1. Word 1, zoo. A zoo is a place where you can see many animals.
We went to the zoo today. Yes, a zoo has animals from all over the world. Say V. Zoo.
Word 2, lion. A lion is a big wild cat. Lions have a yellow and brown. The mane is the hair lions do not. Jack's new toy is a lion. His name is King. Lion. Word 3, elephant. An elephant is a very big animal with a long trunk.
Very small, a very small one.
Size matter. Say it. Elephant.
Word 4, giraffe. A giraffe is a very tall animal with a long.
The giraffes are deaf brown yellow spots.
They eat seeds from yellow rats. Giraffe.
Word 5, monkey. A monkey is a clever animal that can climb in trees. Monkeys use their hands and feet to move. They are very funny. Monkey. Monkey.
Word 6, penguin. A penguin is a bird that cannot fly but can swim.
Penguins are black and white.
They live in cold places like Antarctica.
They walk in a very funny way. Penguin.
Word 7, zebra. A zebra looks like a horse with black and white stripes.
The stripes help them hide from light stripes. Notice as a science.
Say it, zebra. Zebra.
Word 8, tiger. A tiger is the biggest wild cat in the world. Tigers are orange, they show what the fastest up. They live not in groups. Tiger.
Word 9, trunk. A trunk is the long nose of an
Elephant.
They also use it to pick up food.
And to say hello.
Fence. Trunk. Trunk.
Word 10, wild. Wild means living in nature.
Lions are wild animals.
Peanut is not a wild animal.
Peanut is a home animal, a domestic wild. Wild. Those are our 10 words for today. Z, elephant, giraffe, with me slowly. Zoo, lion, zoo. Horse, giraffe, giraffe, mutt, fly. Penguin, zebra, tiger, trunk. Very good. You are excellent English students. Practice these words at home tonight. For example, I went to the zoo today.
I will make a sentence. I saw a lion at 2.
Yeah, that is a perfect sentence.
The lion had a big mane and orange eyes. I am also a very good at 2 sentences.
My sentence, the elephant used his trunk to drink water.
Perfect, Mommy. Did an excellent sentence.
Thank you, Lily. I practiced while we were at the zoo.
You are very from the best teacher.
My sentence, the wild tiger walked slowly behind the glass.
That is a beautiful sentence, Daddy.
Thank you, Lily. I also learned from a good teacher.
Teacher.
You are, of course.
What a wonderful day at the zoo.
We saw 7 different animals, and we learned 10 new English words.
Every day with this family is a perfect day. Thank you for learning English with the Rivers family today.
See you in the next video. Subscribe and come back for more stories. Goodbye from me, Peanut, and Peanut Jr.